Hi, this is Celene at Chops Consulting, and today's video is going to be on writing off partially paid invoices or writing off partial payments in legal. So I'm just going to start straight from here. If we have an invoice, you might use this maybe if your services, you've invoiced like $5,000, $10,000. Maybe the client's only made a partial payment. Maybe it's through legal aid where they're only paying part of it, and you want to write off not the whole invoice, but just part of the invoice, whatever remaining balance there is. So we're just going to start with this invoice here. It's $5,600, including tax. See it here. I am going to do a trust to receivables transfer to pay part of the balance. In this fake example, they have way more interest than they need to pay it off, but we'll just say maybe they paid $3,000 of it. I'm going to hit save and close. Of course, I don't do the payment type. I don't know. I'm getting too excited by the next steps. Okay. So we have our trust reference here. We've got our general payment received reference here. Now we can see that there's the invoice of $5,600 and there's been a payment of $3,000 applied to the invoice. Now what we would do if we wanted to write off the rest of the invoice, maybe that's the $3,000 is all we're ever going to get. How do you write off that balance as a loss? You just right click and hit adjust invoice. And the same write-off button that you can use when writing off entire invoices, if your client goes AWOL or isn't going to pay it, you can still hit that. And what it does is it just makes an automatic adjustment for the remaining balance of the invoice that wasn't paid, in this case $2,600, including $278.57 in tax. Save and close. And now that invoice has been written off the tune of $2,600 in late.